about what might happen if global trade ended and how it would affect us, especially in our economy. Let's find out.
By the way, John, curious lang ako. Do you want to know what might happen if global trade will stop?
Yes, I'm curious. What could happen if the global trading end?
Alright, talk about it.
Okay.
So una, kapag ang global trade ay tumigil, the prices of goods will go up. Ibig sabihin, tataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin.
Ganun pala yun.
Exactly. For example, the fruits and vegetables that we import will become more expensive. Baka gusto mo yung mangga ay doble yung presyo.
And it's not just about food. We also have a problem with electronics. Gadgets like phone, laptop. It more be expensive. So, for example, like Samsung, iPhone, etc. That is a high technology.
How about the businesses in our community?
Yes, tama. Local businesses like cafe, grocery stores will be affected too. Kung mahal ang mga produkto, hindi nila may benta ng mura, kaya tataas ang presyo ng mga bilihin.
Kaya pala.
And if prices go up, people will struggle to buy what they need. Many people might their lost job because business are struggling.
So in short, stopping the global trade will have a big impact to our economy, jobs, and businesses, and also the price.
So, I hope that this will happen because dahil marami ang maapektuhan nito.
Exactly. That's why global trade is important in our daily lives. Tara.
So guys, for example, look at this canteen. If the coffee, foods ay tataas yung presyo, mahirapan yung mga estudyante na bibili. So, magde-decide na lang sila na mag bibili sa labas kasi hindi naman mahal.
So, it's important to understand the effect of global trade because everything is used in our daily lives.
Exactly. That's why global trade is not just a big topic. It already affects to our community.
Not just the community or society, this will affect to the whole world.
Yes, you're right, Rob. Maybe the next future generation will be able to experience the food product na galing sa ibang bansa.
I agree. Mahilig pa naman tayo bumili ng mga products na hindi mismo galing sa ating mga bansa.
Ako din, gusto ko din bumili ng mga produkto na hindi galing sa atin, especially sa mga pagkain. Kaya ang global trade ay dapat hindi patatapos at hindi tumigil dahil malaki itong epekto sa ating ekonomiya.
Today, we learned that if global trade ended, prices would go up, local businesses would struggle, and it would affect our daily life. Kaya mahalaga ang global trade para mapanatiling mura ang mga bagay at maging sagana ang ating ekonomiya. Thank you for watching and God bless.
I wanna see you out that door, baby, bye bye.